Good morning, guys. Hello, 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 hello. 8 minutes till we get started. I want lots of questions, lots of tickers, and let's get going. Huge moves coming into the FinTwit scene. We got big moves coming in. Huge plans coming in. Be very, very, very ready for it. All right? Be very, very ready for it. Get the questions in, get the tickers in, all that great stuff. See you soon. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. 6 minutes till we get started. No questions, no tickers. Am I talking to myself? Hello, hello, hello. Testing 1, 2, 3. Five minutes till we get started. 5 minutes. Right, we are going to start in 3 minutes, everybody. 3 minutes. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's get more people in here. Everyone's sleeping. Two minutes, 2 minutes. Good morning, everybody. What up, what up, what up? Hello, 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 hello. What is up? Let me change the screen over here. Cool, we got it. Right, today is going to be another amazing, amazing day. Make sure you are in the Discord if you want to make some money. All right, good morning. Going to go through some chat requests from Twitter, and then I will get to everybody on YouTube, right? So just bear with me, please. IBO, very nice. Luca. IBO is very, very solid. Okay, RSLS, no. Sorry guys, just bear with me. Right, Discord members, if you're there, or someone from the Discord who's in here, please just write to the trading floor and just tell members to join here, because I'm not going to be answering separate questions and stuff. Too much work going on. I've got Twitter, got this, DMs, questions, da-da-da-da-da. Can't do everything at once, all right? So those people can wait unless someone can just DM me, please. Or DM the members, just tell them. All right, I've got a bunch of questions. Let me go, oh, sorry, not questions. I've got a bunch of charts to do. NIXX, what's happening here? NIXX is no good. NIXX is bearish. Nothing on this, low volume, bearish, downtrend, nothing. NIXX, bearish. I see everybody's question. Keep them coming in. Flow them in, flow them in, flow them in. Today will be the last day of YouTube Live. We don't get enough questions in that, so make use of it or I will be gone. I will just sit there and chill with the Discord guy. Right, AMTM. What's happening here? AMTM. Nothing on AM. I don't know why people are looking at shitty trade. This is a shitty trade. This is downtrend. Nothing on this. AMTM bearish. What else do we have? CSAI. Get the questions in, guys, and the tickers and all that stuff. Also, like up the stream. I will be with you very shortly. Going through a bunch of stuff on Twitter first. This needs 629 break. CSAI needs 629 break for entries. Pre-market was actually very good today. If anyone hold ICCT, I did not hold ICCT. I only traded it a little bit yesterday. That's about it. I missed a trade earlier on it. Unfortunate. BIAF. What's happening here with BIAF? BIAF's looking good. We need this over VWAP right now. It's nothing. VWAP. So what we have on BIAF is maybe a possible falling wedge. We also have a demand zone. Join the Discord if you want to know how to draw the demand zone, what the demand zone is, how to use it, how to trade it, and implement it in your trading style. There's a seminar on it. Okay, so we have this here. It's looking good, you know. We'll see. Falling wedge plus demand zone. Falling wedge is bullish reversal pattern. Demand zone is where buy step in. There's two confidences and reasoning that this will go up. However, it is below VWAP. You want to trade something that is above VWAP. That is the easiest way you can make money. If something is below VWAP, just avoid it. Okay, good morning, yo. What up, Totes? Mr. Totes, what up? No, we are not okay. What up? How are you doing? Let's go, Sean. Let's go. Good morning, Rivis. Nice to see you. Sean, what up? MVST, how are we cooking with this thing? Yeah, MVST is not looking too great, to be honest. At the moment, it's just coming down. Like I say with this, just turn on VWAP and just wait for it to close above VWAP. Your settings are probably different to mine if you're not using Webull. If not, I highly recommend to use Webull. It's very easy and simple to use. You can literally just chart on this and trade on your phone or your laptop or something else. But I highly recommend using Webull's VWAP. I don't know what the settings are because it's just a default settings. You need this to close above VWAP, okay? A candle body must close above VWAP. So look, let's say this is VWAP, right? This line here, the white line. We'll make it in yellow, okay? You need the candle body to close above, like that. Okay, here's my candle. You need it to close above. If the candle body does not close above VWAP, you cannot take the trade. Okay, the candle body must close above. More of the body, the better. If it's just a little bit like that, don't try and force the trade. If it's clear, then you can take the trade. All right, so don't take the trade unless it's above VWAP. Right now, VWAP is 141.5, but it will change as it is volume weighted. MVST, good morning, Miggy, MIGI. Give me one sec. Right, Miggy has no volume, no bearish trend, nothing. I don't know what you're looking at on Miggy. For me, nothing on this unless 0.63. The reason is because you break above here, you have clean range here. It's too much, I don't know, nothing going on. No clear trend, very bearish, low volume. Whether there's news coming, I don't know. I don't know anything about the company, but what I can see based on technicals is not looking too good. Entries over 0.63. I'm assuming you're holding this and you're in it and you're hoping it will go up, but at the moment I don't see any possible reversal. I hope it does reverse for you, but for now there is nada. Right, BIAF, MYSC. MYSC needs to close above this level. MYSC needs to close above 167 at least on the 1 hour time frame. Right now, nothing. Nothing. BIAF. Yeah, BIAF just needs to hold here. If it doesn't, it's no good. But I would wait for this to get above VWAP. VWAP is here, as I mentioned. You need this above VWAP. Like this. So we can even just remove this downtrend here, demand zone. This is what I would use. Do not be in VIF. You should not be in this. Yeah, IBO is the best play right now. Yeah, IBO is looking good. How many levels? Oh, it was larger time. So we had the 4 hour, we had a falling wedge here, we had an area of support right here. 87 cents. We can put this in blue like this. Draw this. Just to emphasize that this is a strong area of support. I like to use blue. This is not the proper color. There's no real color that you can use. You can do whatever color you decide. Colors that I choose are just the colors that I like. I've just used it. So these are your key levels for IBO. Key levels. IBO key levels. IBO key level. IBO key levels. Someone in the Discord, can you please write on the floor and just tell members to join the live or just not post any questions right now? I'm going to be answering them. MVST, good morning, Miggy, MIC, BIO, BIBO, MLGO banging around. MLGO is absolutely insane. Whoever's been trading this, kudos to you. This thing is insane. Insane. It is up like over 600-700%, I think, in the last, I don't know, week, 2 weeks. What up, Totes? What do you mean by last day of YouTube? This will be the last day ever of me doing YouTube Live. Because we don't get enough interactions. People don't ask questions. I don't know why people don't ask questions, right? Assuming everyone's here to learn. I can't provide anything. I'm not just going to chart a chart. That means nothing to you guys. You need to learn. If you want to learn, ask the questions. Still bathing in my riches from well done. Totes, very good job. What up, coding? That's no good. Don't trade this thing. This thing is trash. Trash. Entries over 450. Entries over 450. Still bidding. Is it too late to get an IBO? Well, if you like to chase, you're more than welcome to. If you are going to use a candlestick strategy, use that. If you're not in the Discord and don't know what that is, then join the Discord. But right now you needed to pull back unless you want to try and take a risky entry above 181. If you want to take the entry above 181, you can. Make sure to have a stop loss. Make sure to have a target in mind. If not, don't trade it. Oh, this is a new one. Oh, I've never seen this. Oh. Do. 4 hour. Reality income. It's a housing player. Well, you've broken out a resistance, which is good. I'll mark off some key levels. Here's one at 58.48. What I will do is just make 58.50, 58.50. And then you can make another one here at 60.10. $60.10. So this is the key levels on O. Looks good right now. Very bullish. I like it. I like it. I was going to get in 136 and I go down and it should be waiting for pullback. Which one are we talking about? No YouTube, it's all I have. I graduated from this. MAC, that's a new one. Macy's. Nothing on this. Bearish at the moment. Maybe above here you have clean range then to the upside. So this is MAC. Entries over 1834. I have a question for someone, for you guys, all of you. Do you guys use TikTok? Do you think I should do like TikTok lives like this on YouTube? Because I think we can get more views on there and better interactions. I know YouTube's great and all, but Do people use TikTok? I don't have a TikTok. I don't use it. Even personally, I don't use it. Do you think the market stabilization after a rough couple of weeks? I don't know. It's just this tariff thing's really affecting the market. But I mean, the market's just fine right now. It's okay. It's not that it's bad. It's not that it's good. The moment it's just really, it's just chilling right now. It's not really doing too much. There's no crazy runners, to be honest. So when it reverses, I don't know. There's a new month, so we'll see what the new data comes out as. But at the moment, for it, it's just we kind of have to wait what these tariffs are going to do. I think that's just everyone's just really hesitant to trade, to be honest. Well, the big guys are. VVPR here. You're in demand zone. This is an area where you could possibly look for buys. Make sure to have a stop loss. GV has no volume. I know this is a former runner, but at the moment it's just tricky to trade something like this. Maybe above 375 you could try and take some, but right now you're bearish, low volume, just leave it. Bearish is the downtrend, low volume, you can see by these dots, and not clear. Needs 375 break. 375 break. THTX. THTX, nothing. It's bearish, downtrend, low volume. LPTX, I think you asked me about this yesterday, right? Yeah, you asked me about this yesterday. Same thing, probably. Yeah, nothing on LPTX either. These are both not great. I wouldn't be in them. Cut the loss and move on. Trust me. Just it's easier said than done. You'll be able to sleep at night. LPTX, or sorry, Tesla's looking good. I like the setup. It's looking great. I think Tesla's gonna run. I will be giving maybe 1 or 2 option plays on Twitter, and then the rest I'm gonna be giving like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or probably like 10 a week in the Discord. At least 1 or 2 a day. The Discord on the options floor. I'll be giving setups there, and then I'll be giving a few on Twitter as well. But I'll just be giving key levels. I'm not going to tell you which options plays and all that to take. The option guys can decide on which kind of options they want to take. But I'll just tell you simply what levels you can take calls on, what levels you can take puts on. But Tesla's looking alright. We need the downtrend break on Tesla. We need it. I'll have a look at SPY as well. Do you think ICT is going to drop more than 290 as of late? ICCT 290. It does need a pullback. Personally, I would see if it can come down to here. This would probably be good entries. 250 level would be good for entries. It does need a pullback around 650% and then 40% today. A little bit difficult, but I also would focus on this play because it is the most bullish small cap on the market right now. So in my opinion, I would definitely be watching this. This is kind of the only one that I would watch. So needs to hold 250. Yeah, it needs to hold 250 and to open. This ICT looks good. It's bullish. It's the highest possible play to run today. That does not mean buy now. Does not mean full port. Doesn't mean go and take out a loan to put money in to buy this. No. Wait for the setup. Let the strategy work out and then take the trade. No, ALLR. ALLR. Entries over 117. It's been like this for a few weeks now. So ALLR entries over 117. All right. LFWD. This is a former runner like a few months ago. Entries over 187. Entries over 180. So you guys see, right, with my Twitter, what I do with the posts, okay? I try and educate you guys as much as I can in the simplest way, all right? Meaning, I give you guys what you need to look for when you're looking for the trade. I will tell you, it needs to close above a resistance, it needs to break above VWAP, it needs to get over a certain level, whatever it is, right? I'm not telling you to buy, I'm not telling you to put a $500 PT. I keep telling you guys to use a stop loss. I keep telling you to use a target. I keep telling you to use risk management. All those things are what you need to do in your trading, right? So when I give you these levels, if I say wait for it to break up, you need to do all of that stuff, all right? It's up to you. So I just give you the very basics on Twitter, and I give you the levels, responding to all that. In the Discord, the difference is I give you the reasonings why I take the trade. I share my strategy. There's a whole seminar on it. There's 5, 6, 7, 8 videos on it. You can learn my strategy, why I take the trade every single time. Learn it, learn it, learn it. Execute it so you can take the same trades as me. Understand how to trade. The alerts are there if you want them, but the main focus is teaching you to have the strategy that I have so you can trade like me, right? That's what people want. But we do have a lot of lazy people who just want the alerts, which is fine, but when we don't give many alerts, just giving you a heads up. Okay, what was the worst strategy that you tried in the process of learning? The worst one? I wouldn't say the worst one. I would just say using all the indicators. Like I was like using MACD, RSI, like all that stuff. And then I just was using it and I was like, I didn't really know what I was doing. It didn't make sense to me. It was so confusing. I was like, there must be an easier way to trade. And then I just went back to the basics. I tried to understand, okay, what is a green candle? What is a red candle? What's a strong wick? What's a strong bottom wick? What are the bullish chart patterns? Meaning, what are the chart patterns that I need to look for? What are the patterns that make the price go up? Where are those strategies that I can develop from there? So then you can understand. If there's an area of support, okay, that's cool. Support means I'll go up. Demand zone means that that's where an area where buyers step in. So that's where I developed that using the demand zone in my strategy helps me because there's a high probability to go up. Then if I have a falling wedge, it also helps me because there's a high probability to go up because there's a reversal pattern. Not because the RSI or the MACD sold, oversold, all that shit. Nothing. I don't care about any of this stuff. It works for some people. For me, it does not work. Never used it. I don't use it. I will not use it. Whether it will improve my trading, fantastic, but nothing. I'm afraid I got no. Wait, you got in, Fig? You see my sell-off dividends. VICI. This is looking good. This VICI is nice. I saw it the other day, especially once you finally get in, Fig. Okay, I have a question. How much dollar is too much to trade for small caps? I read somewhere that investing too much can swing the metrics. Well, yeah, if it's a small float. But, I mean, what could you put 20? Yeah, you can, of course you can put $20,000 in trade. Yeah, we have members who do it. $20,000. But the thing is, right, you need to look at the float, right? But most times you're not really playing these really low floaters. The ones that are, i.e. APDN, that's why it's getting pumped, because if it does obviously get buyers in it, it will hold up and it will go crazy. That is why people are pumping it. For me, I don't care about it. It's a trash trade. It's shit. I don't care about the company. Down 40-50% since I said it. Down. People are pumping it. I know who they are. They're trying to attack me for it, and I'm just telling them, you guys are the ones who are creating bag holders. You're not teaching people. You're giving them PTs. People are buying. The thing is down 50-60% since they posted it. Like what? Obviously it's going to go up, right? It's going to go up at some point. That's what stocks do. But people who bought a few weeks ago, they're down 60%. What are they supposed to do? Doesn't make sense. So I ignore those BS. I don't speak to any of those guys on Twitter. Don't get involved. They try to reach out to me. Tell them to F off. I'm here to teach, not to pump. But yes, you can trade with that much. Obviously, it will create volatility in the stock. But yeah, you can. But no one really puts in $100,000 in small caps. What up, Totes? Stats is picking up volume. Yeah, I saw someone talking about it, but there wasn't really anything. I saw, yeah, nothing yet. 450 maybe. No, TikTok. You got love into TikTok. Yeah, it's YouTube easier for me. No, I know a lot of people do like YouTube. I hate TikTok, but it's up to you. Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, like, I just want to try and educate more people. Like, I just want people to be more interactive with this, because I don't mind sharing charts. I have no issue doing it, but sometimes it gets boring. I want people to ask questions and learn, and obviously, you know, share what we teach, because it's very rare to see the transparency that we give in the Discord. Every single trade I've had for the last 4 years, over 10,000 trades are in the Discord. You can see my red, you can see the green, everything. My wins, my losses, everything. Like yesterday I had 3 green, 1 red. Not on TikTok, yeah. I don't. You can stream on something. Oh, really? Nice. I'm sure you can get. Yeah, I know you can. TikTok, you literally need like 100. You get 100 followers and you got like 10,000 views. I'll try. I'll see. What's gonna ask you if you. Yeah, I'm gonna start options, but I'm not gonna be trading them options myself. I'll just be giving setups. Like I'll say he could take calls here, puts below. So that kind of thing. But I won't be entering anything. I don't trade options. MSS, nothing on this. I'm not too sure. It needs to hold $1, but right now it doesn't look great. SATX is still going. SATX over 208, you can enter. SATX entries over $2. Oh, 208. Excuse me. Entries over 208. I'm gonna go rather. Thank you. What's gonna ask you? MSS, SATX, IBO tanking. What do you think about strategy getting profits at 15% and leaving up and leaving 5% shares just in case? Ask because of missed opportunities. So I'll be honest with you, holding for 15% profit target each time you trade is kind of unrealistic. For me, I aim for like 5%. So if it hits my 5% target, I'll sell at least 50%. If the market's shit, then I'll sell like 80% of my position. Most of the time, I've been selling like 80% of it and then move my stop loss to just below my entry. And then if it keeps going up, I'll scale out when I'm happy. Like I don't hold for like 20, 30, 40, 50% because I'm usually out by then. But I just aim for 5%. If it goes up more, then I have a little bit, that kind of thing. But if you want to try 15%, yeah, you just, I don't know where your stop loss is and those kind of things. I personally, with these small caps, I wouldn't have more than a 5% stop loss. I have a 3%, but up to you. But there's no harm. Like the thing is, I would aim for a 10% target if I was you, and then just keep, and then move your stop loss to break even. And then if it keeps running, then you can scale out. That's just the best way. I suck at selling early. All members know that. I'm not very good at it, but I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to get there. Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft doesn't look great. Nothing on Microsoft. Maybe above here. Clean range then. Wimmy. I don't like the stock at all. I don't care how much this thing runs. It is trash to me. No good. No bueno. Bad. 110. 125. 25. Have a look. We'll see how this does, but I'm not going to be trading this. Or should I just be happy that I got 30 days doing 15% every day? I mean, you're going to do 15% every day. You don't need to. You definitely don't need to be listening to me. I'll tell you that much. If you're doing 15% a day, what's that? How much are you making on your account a day? That's pretty impressive. With the current news, look at SoFi, demand zone. Yeah, demand zone, what do you have? I got demand zone here. You can use this 1065 to 1124. Man, there's so many bots on my posts. It's so friggin' annoying. ALLR needs to close above 117 for entries. $8 seems critical level. QNTM, I think it was 9 that I had. I would say there's a big level here. This is a significant level. Like 8, like here, 850. This 850 level's big on QNTM. I know I've gone through this level, this candles here, but I'm just looking at prior price action, that's all. So QNTM needs 850 break. Gonna do a couple more charts and I've got to head out into the Discord, right? Twitter live. I've done it, but it's kind of shitty. One of there's a program was that plugs connect 2 platforms with one stream. I think there is. ICCT. Yeah, I get a lot of views and stuff on Twitter though. Interactions are good. ICCT looks great. This is the best setup as I mentioned. On the move, yes. ONDS. Your over $1 rule, is it avoid reverse split announcements? No. I just don't trade sub $1 stocks very well. That's why I've just avoided it, to be honest. I'm not very good at trading them. So it's just something, it's a rule that I have when I trade. Unless Hassie gives an alert and it's like fits my kind of eye and I'm like, okay, I kind of actually like this, then I'll maybe take some, but I won't personally alert and I won't just trade it myself. That's kind of what I would do. Nothing against $1 stocks. I just also think stocks under $1 are that price for a reason. I don't know. That's nothing to do with reverse splits and all that, but they also can drop offerings more often and those kind of things as shitty companies. This ONDS needs 125 break. Okay, I gotta do a few more, then I'm gonna head out. PTRG. PTRG, entries over 1038. TOPP. Failed. TOPP, weird stock. I don't know what this price is doing. Maybe if it holds $2, you could try and hold it for like 230. I scaled in and out from Discord. Proctor took 3 profit at 3 levels and was so relieved to be out profit and not having to watch like a hawk. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. How many trades you usually enter when actively trading our limits to 2? Yeah, I'm the same. Yeah, I'm exactly the same. Same. I don't take more than 2. It's only because when I'm doing live trading especially, I can't do 2 trades, answer questions, DMs, trying to trade, all that. It's a lot. It's a lot harder than people really think, to be honest. Yeah, but I'm usually going with $1,000 at once, make 150, take it out 140, leave the rest running, but then I feel super firm because I should take the risk. Well, if you always sell too early, the best thing to do is just hold some. That's it. And then just sell when you're happy. You can't be upset. And then aim for a realistic goal in your account. If you can achieve 1% on your account day, that's 5% a week, 20% a month. You make 20% a month on your account. You don't need to invest in property. You don't need to do anything else. 20% a month, put $1 million in there. You make $200,000 a month. That's how it is. So, yeah. Just try and aim for 1% a day. It's not realistic to do it every day, but if you can try, seems like you know what you're doing. So just implement that. Take your green. You do not want your green to go red, because then that's going to be serious issues. Right, BIAF, what's happening here? So it looks like this is reversing off demand zone. Have a look here. Guys, I'm only kidding as well. I'm not leaving YouTube. I was just joking. I'm not going to go off YouTube. But I need you guys to interact more, because otherwise I'm just sitting here. Right, I do this for you Twitter followers, because I know a lot of you guys follow me and want to learn how I trade for free, and I have no issue doing it, and that's why I do it. If you want to learn more and obviously want to pay for the content and get the alerts and want to learn my strategy and how I trade, then that's fine. You can join. It's up to you. You don't have to join. All right. Okay. So I'm going to head into Discord now. I'm going to start live trading in 20 minutes. I hope you all have a great day. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out, guys. Thank you again for all the support. I appreciate it.